Alright, so it's chilly this morning, but me and Mario are gonna go crush 65 miles and about 3,500 feet of climbing. It's really pretty out, but this is probably the first chilly morning in California we've had to ride. Base layer's out, knee warmers are out, nipples are hard, all the things.
Reminded of you with no searching. How could I not when I keep thinking of you, and it takes me back to another time. Takes me back now.
So mile 16, it's getting a little hot, so we're gonna take our arm warmers off, leg warmers off, and continue. We're about 16 miles, about 600 feet in. This is the easy part of the ride. It's been a lot of the urban areas. I couldn't film much just because all the cars. We're gonna keep going. Mario hasn't ridden since his first triathlon. His first day he's been able to walk in a week. Oh God!
Whenever we touched, raised my heartbeat. If only you'd say it was mutual. Longing for you more than I want. How could I not when I keep thinking of you, and it takes me back to another time.
So 22 and a half miles in, 780 feet of climbing. It's been a really, really nice day. It definitely burned off a little bit. The weather's all basically perfect. Just a little bit of wind chill, but it keeps you nice and cool. This is gonna be a really great ride. Gonna finish up on this trail. I forgot the name of it. That basically leads up into Santiago Canyon. So we're gonna finish basically in the hills. So we gotta save the legs just a little bit for later. So I found this cool little trail. It's more secluded, but it's really nice. It's got forests and all that kind of stuff, so you get a nice way from the trees. It's not real boring river trail stuff. It's actually something nice to look at for once. But we're about 35 miles in, about 1,500 feet of climbing. Still feeling good, keeping the pace mild so we can try to smash it through the canyon a little bit and not die. Oh, there's cactus out here. All right. Don't. The chain's supposed to stay on the bike, Mario.
No, it didn't work that time.
Here, I'll hold it. Yeah, just yeet it. Here, I'll shift into the little one. There you go. Okay, so now pedal it. There we go. So now that we got Mario's chain back on, we're gonna try to keep going.
I don't think my chain can take my 1,000-watt output.
Oh yeah, that's what it was? You just putting out so many watts, it just fell off? It just said no go, not happening?
Okay, I get it.
All right, so we're taking a quick stretch break. It's mile 42 and we are 2,100 feet of climbing in, so another 1,300 or so for the last bit of it. Just taking a quick stretch break, refilling some electrolyte drink mix, and getting back out there. How you feeling, Mario?
Oh, feeling it.
That 20 miles of 2% grade is hurting?
Dude, my rear end.
All right, so if my calculations are correct, we have about 1,300 feet of climbing in the next 18 miles. So not too bad, but it's, I don't know what it is, that long, like, it's literally like 12 or 15 miles of like that 2.5%. Just, you feel slow, and it burns you out for like the punchy stuff that's gonna be coming up. So, almost done with the ride. It's the last 5 miles, and man, did this one hurt today.
Oh yeah.
I almost hit the wall and bonked like 87 times, but we made it. My legs still work. They'll fall off right when I get home. So we finished the ride. That was more brutal than we both expected.
Oh yeah. I made it.
So we ended up being right under 65 miles at 64.9, and we were too gassed to like go down the straight up block and come back. With 3,224 feet of climbing. So we're good for today.
Oh yeah.
Even though it's not fair because apparently Mario's computer gave him like an extra free like 2 miles, so whatever.
I was riding faster.